Hey, how's it going, everybody? So this is more of a behind the scenes look. So this is basically before the house was built. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what me and my dad did. We actually ran 20, I want to say 22 cables of Cat 6 all around the house. So let's go ahead and show you what we did. Let's get started. All right, so in one of the rooms, which would be this one right here, has a pretty big window. I did throw 2 cables on this wall and 2 more cables in this other one. So just in case if there's going to be a desk or anything like that, or if I have to move around, I have basically 2 ports in each wall, or in this wall and that wall, not this wall. So that's the first room. Second room, so this one is going to be more my office. That's what I say right now, but same thing, same config. Basically threw 2 cables here on this wall and then 2 more cables over here. I'm still don't know exactly how I'm going to be setting this up. I'm thinking setting up the desk here, and I don't know what else I could put here. I guess I could put some of my bookshelves or something, but we'll see as soon as I move in. All right, so here is the kitchen / living room. So on this wall, I ran 5 cables right here. And then I also ran another 2 over here to this window, because I'm thinking I want to actually set up kind of like a small little desk that if somebody needs to use the computer, they could go right ahead and have a seat there and just basically browse or do whatever they want to do. So that's my idea right there. By the way, it's an open concept, so yeah, it's pretty trippy. You can see right now. I'll show you all the cables that we ran. And then here is the master bedroom. So here, ran 2 cables here. I'm thinking I'm gonna mount the TV in the wall. In the wall. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen there. I still don't know. So yeah, there's 2 cables there. There's another 2 cables here. Just did the same as the other one. I don't think I'm gonna be putting a desk in this window, but you never know. I might change my mind, but I have the option. So I have 2 cables right there. And before I forget, I also ran another cable right here up on top. So this one's actually going to be for the access point. I'm thinking I'm going to put it around this area right here, but I really don't know exactly where. But yeah, the cable is there and available. They're gonna have to fix that because that just kind of just dropped, and yeah, that's not correct. That shouldn't be like that. So I'll bring it up to their attention. And then we have all the cables coming in right here, and basically coming in, and they're coming into this box. Now, one of the things is, I have the little rack, what is it, the StarTech rack that has the wheels. So I'm planning on putting it here. So actually, so technically all this slack, I'm actually going to push it through. So I'll be pushing everything over here. And then I'll just do cable management, and whatever excess, I'll put it back inside the wall. To make sure that this cable didn't fall, I actually secured it with Velcro. So basically I just put 2 screws here. I also put another one here just in case. So technically there's 2 here, or 2 screws here, 1 screw here, securing it. So hopefully, if they have to push these cables in, while they're working, they could go right ahead and do so without, actually bringing this, this out. So yeah, so that is technically the runs. This took us a while to do. I want to say we started around, what time was it? Around 9:30, 10, and we didn't finish until like maybe 12 or 1 in the afternoon. So yeah, that was an ordeal, but luckily everything got squared away. Oh, I forgot. There's actually 2 more drops that I did. So I actually set up 2 more drops here. So I have 2 drops right there. Hey, sorry about that, everybody. So I was actually editing the video, and then I realized that the rest that I basically, recorded, it stopped recording. So I just want to go right ahead and show you. It's a lot different than it was when I was last year. You could see Sheetrock is up. So I just want to go right ahead and flip to this. So this is basically where we were. So this is one of the corners. Now, I'm actually thinking that I'm going to go right ahead and put most likely some sort of workbench here. That's why I'm going to have those 2 cables. But yeah, nonetheless, let's go right ahead. Let's take a tour now that all the sheetrock is up and see what's new. All right, so here's the garage. So they got everything here. They got all the cables here. Cool deal. All right, so that's gonna be the drop. So going in, so we have the front door here. Let me go right ahead and go into, this was gonna be the guest room. So everything is there. Over here we have the window over here on the side. Closet. Sweet deal. So I'm just noticing more electrical over here. The guest room right here. Okay. So here's the restroom. Tub is already there. I'm fairly certain I'll just have to clean it out. It looks a little bit dirty. Cool. Everything's looking good. Got hot water, cold water, electrical up on top. Looks like probably for the AC. I guess this is gonna be for the extractor. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, it might be the extractor right there. Cute. So let's go. That's right, this was a little small closet here. Guess for coats and whatnot. Here we have another small closet. And my office right here. I forgot to bring a tape measure because I wanted to figure out exactly how I'm gonna set up the desk right here. So I think it's gonna be okay. I mean, I don't know if I could probably just maneuver it around here. So cool deal. Everything's looking good. All right, so yeah, so here's the office. Here's gonna be the closet. So spacious closet. I don't know exactly what. Oh, that's right. I believe I said I was gonna probably use this probably as storage. Not too much storage, but we'll see. Let's keep on going. All right, so here is gonna be the laundry room. Everything's squared away. It's all dark in here. All right, so here we have going to the living room kitchen. All right, so got everything there. Let's see, I believe, so we got speaker wire. What is it? Speaker wire over here that they already threw. Then they have speaker wire up on top, which would be this one here. And the other one over here. So that's gonna be for the surround sound or the home theater if I choose to put one up, and everything goes into this box if I remember correctly. So yeah, sweet deal. Looks way different with the sheetrock up. Way different. Fairly certain they still gotta patch everything, but man, they worked quick on this. All right, let's see. Let's go to the master bedroom. Oh, moth. So master bedroom. Sweet. There you go. Got all the boxes there. That's all I'm hoping for is like everything's good. So electrical. Then we have the turlet. This is gonna be my turlet. Here's the shower. So you got that squared away. Sweet. And then of course over here to the left is gonna be the walk-in closet right here. Alrighty everybody, so that is the end of this behind the scenes video. So yeah, like I said, I mean, I wasn't really expecting the video to completely end, but now it's like, here's the recap. It's like Sheetrock is up, and I'm fairly certain they're gonna move quick on this. But nonetheless, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next one.